All right, I want to get back to the business side a little bit. I spent a little time on the recreational stuff last weekend. I've been looking at some of these apps, where they're like Uber, where you're a self-employed contractor working for a company using an app, and you just pick up jobs. Um, for so there's a guy on YouTube, very cool channel. His name is Dylan Gorman, and I think the site's called Pilot Bytes, BYTES, like computer bytes, like bits, bytes, and megabytes. Um, and I saw a video about this one here called Spexi, and it's specifically for DJI minis, and it seems really simple and everything. Well, if you download the Spexi app now to get started, I downloaded the app. It immediately fails when you go to register, and then so I sent them an email, and we set up you account to log in. Well, that account is just for support tickets if you're having an issue. Go back to the app and it still says you must have a spexy.com address to continue. So I don't know once you sign up if you get an email address from them or what, but the official sign up process is through Discord. Now I use Discord a lot because I'm a gamer and I hate Discord. So I didn't go much farther with that one, although it seemed interesting. And then another one here. This one is the droning company. Now this one, it's only they take no cut from you apparently, no fees, but you pay $10 a month to be registered, and then $15 a month if you want a Premier account where they post your resume and your accomplishments and whatever. So it's $10 or $15 a month, and they have a break for a yearly amount. And then the first one that I ever come across was this one here, Flyguys. Flyguys, you can see that logo there. That seems the same guy, Dylan Gorman, also has a video on these guys, and they seem a little bit more upper scale. But you log in, you got to put your Part 107 license in there and what drone you have. I did partially set that up, but I didn't complete it because I'm kind of in a conundrum there. So this is why I want to ask anybody out there who's a pilot actually making money in the private sector on their own. Now, I'm flying drones professionally at work, so I don't have to worry about the business side of it because I just go to work and fly the drone, and the client, which is the government, tells us what they want us to film that. Like I said in other videos, we're filming for two reasons. One is environmentally, because we can't decommission or demolish any of the buildings if there's birds' nest. And then in addition to that, we have to get photos and video of like what hooks two buildings together as far as piping and all that stuff goes, because that's going to have to be severed. So they want before and after pictures to make sure everything's complete before they tear one building down. You don't want to start tearing one building down and then you accidentally rip half the other building down because stuff's still connected. So we got to get pictures and stuff of that. But anyway, back to the topic. If anybody is using any of these kind of apps where you're working as a self-employed contractor for one of those companies, I would really appreciate any input if you ever used one of those. I've set up part of the stuff. Like I said, I got a domain name, I got a website, I got an email address. I started setting up some products on a certain page that I want to sell as far as drone stuff goes. I don't want to get into that right now, but I don't want to go and pay for everything if I'm not going to be out there trying to get work for another year and a half. But I got to learn it ahead of time. The last thing I want to do is find out, okay, your job's ending on this date, which I know that the project's done and we're in closure, so we're starting demolition. The state of Colorado is holding that up, so I don't know exactly. So right now I got I think my date is like October of 27 is when I'm expected to leave, and I won't have a job at that point unless I move with my company. So if anybody's using any of these, specifically any of these apps, I would like any input. I wish all this stuff was more interactive. People would comment more instead of just either looking at it and swiping away or whatever. Just like, even if you leave a negative comment, just something so that I know that you saw something in good or bad. Give me some information. And another thing, insurance, and if anybody knows about insurance or certifications, like for drone inspections, some states are going to make you be certified, some are not. I saw a web channel today where it said, don't use the word inspection because that'll trip you up into certain certifications being required. Call it roof condition documentation. I don't know. That's all I know is what I saw on a website. And two guys seemed like knowledgeable channel with plenty of followers and all that, but you got to take everything with a grain of salt. So if you have any information regarding these applications where you go on and you take a job board, anything about insurance, I know there's some insurance that will insure you per flight. So if you're only working once a month and you want to just insure one flight, you can call them, they'll insure you and you're done, rather than starting to pay a yearly fee for something you might only use 3 times that year. And then any kind of certifications. The tough thing, I'm starting, the farther I get into this, I'm seeing that just like I'm a guy with a drone and I want to start a business, all you can really do with that is video. And I don't want to film video weddings and stuff. The real estate market might be a little bit saturated from what I can tell, although they're saying there is room in the construction and inspection areas. But if you want to get into mapping and surveying and all that, you got to know mapping and surveying, not just flying the drone. Although there is some companies like the Flyguys, I think they give you such a laid out agenda, camera angle, specification, if you're going to have the RDK and all that, all you do is load the data and they do the rest. So as long as you had a good drone, you could probably get away with not having, if I'm looking away, it's because I'm looking at that other website that we had over here for a minute. Yeah, so any information, any kind of interactivity, I got to figure this out. I don't want to just, because I know at some point I either have to move and chase my company or start a business on my own or try to get another job in this town. It's a big military town. There's a lot of jobs, but I'm going to be almost 65 when this thing, who's going to hire me at 65 for IT when they can hire a guy somewhere between 25 and 45? That scares me. And that's how this channel first started. Had a different name. And I was kind of talking about work after 60. What are you going to do? And then this flying drones thing came up at work. So I rebranded the whole channel to that direction. So anyway, I'm rambling. If you have any information about the things that I talked about earlier, please leave some comments. Let me know. Or give me a link to something or a link to another video that's interesting. Anything that will help, that you think the information will help me with my question. Thank you.